Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's do Slow Waltz Basic Box Step Dance Along for 1 whole minute. Are you ready? Let's bend the knees and wait for the music. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. Down, up, up, down, down, up. Smooth. Forward with the heel. Close the feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Closing the feet in 6th position. Smiling, feeling the music. Elegant. Shoulders down. Tummy in, long neck, up, heel, side. 1, 2, 3, smooth. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, finishing up, down, and recover. That was Slow Waltz Basic Box Step. Dance along 1 minute, repeat it, review and rewatch it and do many times until you master it. Thank you for joining us. Bye!